हेलो गाइस, आज की वीडियो में हम देखेंगे मिन्ना और निहोंगो लेसन 25 की वोकैबलरी। दिस इज द लास्ट चैप्टर फॉर JLPT N5 वोकैबलरी। लेट स्टार्ट। कानगाए मास। कानगाए मास means to think or to consider. Sukimas. Sukimas means to arrive. For example, eki ni sukimasu means to arrive at the station. Ryugaku shimasu. Ryugaku shimasu means to study abroad. Torimasu. Torimasu means to grow old. Inaka. Inaka means countryside or rural area. Taishikan. Taishikan means embassy. Gurupu. Gurupu means group. Chansu. Chansu means chance. Oku. Oku means 100 million. Moshi. Moshi. Nani nani tara. Nani nani tara means if. For example, Moshi ame ga futara hon o yomemasu. Moshi ame ga futara hon o yomimasu means if it is rain, I will read a book. Ikura. Ikura. Nani nani demo. Nani nani demo means however or even if. For example, kore wa ikura yasukutemo kaita kunai. Kore wa ikura yasukutemo kaita kunai means no matter how cheap this is, I don't want to buy it. Okay. Tenkin. Tenkin means transfer. Koto. Koto means matter or thing. Ippai nomimasho. Ippai nomimasho means let's have a drink together. Iro iro o sevani narimashita. Iro iro o sevani narimashita means thank you for everything you have done for me. Ganbarimasu. Ganbarimasu means do one's best. Dozo o genki de. Dozo o genki de means best of luck. Basically, this is used when you are parting ways for longer duration of time. Okay, so this is it for today's lesson, guys. I hope you like the video. Please like and subscribe the channel if you like the content, and I will see you guys next time. Thank you once again.